Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to invite someone to chat on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and now you want to invite someone to chat on you with through Instagram, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram and here just go to messenger icon and then tap on this icon which is add new message, tap on it. Here you have to enter the username with which you want to make a chat or you want to invite him for a message chat. So you just have to select once. I'm going to select anyone from here, so just tap on it and then here you just have to enter the text and it will send a message request to the person, and after that when the request will be accepted you can easily make a chat from Instagram. So that's how you can easily invite someone to chat with on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.